welcome to the world according to Larry. I have a mod I'm very excited to put on today, and let's get to unpacking it. Alright, let's go. What could it be? I know what it is. So apparently there is an option to change this to red, and I like that option, so that's what I'm going to do. So I've taken this inside because the size of these screws is just so small. Look at that. I'm going to need my headlamp too. Look at them, they're tiny. Tiny. Yep. I don't want to drop them. So step 1, use masking tape to hold the transfer in the desired position. The payment book of the Camaro. First step is to disconnect the negative battery terminal. And that is done with a 10mm wrench. It's come with very detailed instructions. I assembled the tools that I scanned through. Got a straight screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a pipe wrench, a 10mm socket. I'm sorry, 8mm socket, and my Torx set. So let's start. This clamp here, the directions don't talk about it. I'm gonna pull it out, pry it out. There we go. Is this it? was easy. This grommet came out. There it is. So I've seen videos and the instructions, and apparently if you reuse these screws, you are screwed. So follow the instructions. It says to put them back in the housing so you don't accidentally use them. And we're going to take that advice. Remove the airflow sensor and put it in the trunk so it doesn't get dirty or dropped. Oh my god, that would suck. Screwdriver. Garbage in the threads here. This is a little disappointing. And that one in particular might stop the plastic from threading. Best approximation I can get from this picture, which has a line right there, and that's here. So I don't have a line. Oh, there's a little notch metal. I'm gonna go with that. That was pretty close. Sorry, Mr. GoPro. So we need to line this up to 10 o'clock. And this is going to be, the T is at the top. Alright, so that's what lines up all the holes. Once I get over that screw, one screw at a time. There we go. Say 9:30 actually. Okay. This is called a hump hose. Next step is put that on there. The hump hose and the number 11 clamps, which are claimed to be the bigger of the two. That also says 110 to 130. Alright, hump hose, clamp, that fits here. upside down. It's gonna go in like that. And we want it to be over there. Yeah, I did. Easy enough. Eventually going to be like that. We want the hose clamp screw. It seems like the hose wants to keep coming off, to be oriented with that sensor. It says don't over tighten the hose clamps. This is a 7mm socket. Okay. Alright, time to put the sensor back in. Okay. So it only goes in one way. They said that, but I was just confirming that. It goes in that way. Okay. Using one of these smaller. Alright, I'm not over tightening. That's on there pretty securely. Engaging the front grommet first. Add the airbox inlet and push the factory rubber inlet up over the lip of the airbox entry. It's actually right here. That was easier than nice. Yes, now we put this baby in. Breathe in. Smaller hose goes over you. Your hose clamp goes over you. Alright, solid. Alright, now snap. There you are. Reinstall the negative battery cable. Take it for a ride. Alright, that's on there nice and good. So there we have it. It's all done. My dirty engine bay, my brand new Rotofab cold air intake. We used to call them air cleaners back in the 80s.
been experiencing The World According to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is my world. If you enjoyed today's video, like it, give it a thumbs up, share it. I'd love to hear your comments, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Until next time, I'm in my world.